Deciphering the Phrase Commentary. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the word commentary. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Let's explore this together. Remember, knowledge is power. Commentary is a noun and it refers to 1. A series of explanatory or critical notes on a text or event. For example, when watching a sports event, you might hear a person talking about the game's progress. That person provides a commentary. 2. A descriptive spoken account of an event, especially during a live broadcast. For instance, during a live news event, the anchor might give a commentary on what's happening. 3. An expression of opinions or offering of explanations about an event or situation. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. The football match had a live commentary by renowned sports journalists. 2. Her book provides a detailed commentary on societal norms and challenges. 3. The director's commentary track on the DVD gives insights into the filmmaking process. Understanding synonyms can also help grasp the word's essence. Some synonyms for commentary are annotation, explanation, elucidation, critique. So, there we have it. Commentary is all about providing explanations, insights, or expressing opinions on something. Whether you're watching a live event or reading a piece of literature, you'll now know what it means when someone mentions commentary. We hope this video has been insightful and enriched your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.